In this tutorial, I am going to focus on this question: how can I create a simple website and earn money? This video delivers some powerful methods to help you earn money or create additional income from your website. So if you're interested in learning about some opportunities and ways to earn money with your website, keep watching. Hi, my name is Ashley. If you're new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button so you get alerted about new videos. Please make sure you like the video, as this tells me you like the content and I will then create more content for you. Thank you. Let's start. Method number 1. Make money with ad networks. The method works when you have high quality optimized content on the pages on your website. It needs careful inclusion of keywords into the written text, so Google might determine what ads to serve to your site. Matching the topic of your articles with the ads target is very important. The contextual ads must be addressed to those very people that are interested in your content. For starters, ad networks are companies that sell ad space on any sort of internet real estate, like a blog or a website. You supply the real estate, the ad network sells that real estate to a company that wants to place an ad, and you get a percentage of the sale. Ad networks are a great monetization tool for just about anyone who can provide real estate for ads. For any niche, any industry, the ad networks will deliver relevant ads to fit the internet real estate they occupy. Many ad networks use cookies to determine which ads are relevant to viewers. Cookies are small files that get stored on a computer after a person visits a particular website. Ad networks access those cookies to see where the user has visited and then serve ads accordingly. The way you make money from ad networks is based on the value of the internet real estate you provide. In other words, your page views. The more page views you have and the more space you have for ads on your website, the more money you'll make from ad networks. There are two ways to get paid from ad networks: pay per click and cost per thousand impressions, CPM. Pay per click is pretty straightforward. You get paid every time one of your blog visitors click on an ad on your site. CPM means you get paid a set amount for every 1,000 people that view an ad on your blog, which is the same thing as getting paid for every 1,000 page views. How much you get paid from CPM can seriously vary depending on your niche, your audience, and how well your ads are optimized. Some industries have low CPMs like gaming, which averaged at $1.77 in 2015, while others are much higher like technology, which could get up to $12.50 that same year. So the higher the CPM in your industry, the more money you'll make off of your traffic. Even if your blog is in a niche genre or you only have a few pages on your blog, if you're working with a high CPM network like Propeller Ads, it can be very lucrative. Whether pay per click or CPM is a better ad model completely depends on your blog, your traffic, and how well your ads perform. There are two main types of ad networks. Horizontal ad networks are ad networks that accept all types of advertisers and all types of publishers. In these networks, the advertiser has limited control over where their ads are shown, also known as blind networks. So if you have a baking blog, you might get a baking ad, or you might get a fishing ad or a workout DVD ad. As a publisher, horizontal ad networks are appealing because they're super easy to get into. All you really have to do is apply, show the ad network you have traffic, and follow their rules of conduct. The not so appealing part is that horizontal ad networks take a bit of a throw spaghetti at the wall and see what sticks approach to the ad placement. Your audience might not be interested in the ads on your website, and since horizontal ad networks pay per click, it can be harder to generate income without serious traffic. Vertical ad networks are more specialized and allow advertisers to choose which publishers to work with, which means that the ads are much more targeted. So in order to join a vertical ad network, you have to be involved in the niche they serve. Vertical ad networks are great because they'll deliver targeted ads that your audience will be genuinely interested in, which means it can be much easier to generate clicks. Within these two types, there are tons of individual ad networks you can try out. Do your research and test which ones you think would work best for your blog or website. You can either test one at a time, or you can work with multiple ad networks at once and see which performs best. If that all sounds a little technical and complicated, you can also use an ad management service to take care of it for you, like AdThrive or Metric. They'll set you up with an account manager and they'll handle the entire process for you. Is it an investment? Yes, but it can definitely be an investment that pays off once your ads are performing well. Google AdSense is hands down the largest and most popular ad network in the world, and it also happens to be the highest paying ad network for most bloggers. AdSense requires you to have an above the fold ad on your website and allows you an additional free image ads and free text ads per page. To sign up for AdSense, you'll need to create an account and submit your website for approval. If your blog violates any of AdSense's policies, Google will let you know and give you a chance to fix any issues. Once your website is approved, your account will be fully activated and ready to roll. Method number 2, monetize your website with affiliate marketing. Affiliate programs are another strategy with high profit potential. It allows you to attract visitors or customers to a business that has an affiliate program or is part of an affiliate network. Already, 81% of advertisers rely on affiliate programs. Affiliate offers for physical products can cover any tangible products such as electronics and clothing. Amazon Associates is one of the most popular affiliate programs in this category. A good example of a digital product is a software subscription. They can be highly profitable due to higher prices and commission rates. Supermetrics belongs to this product category. Getting paid for leads can mean that you attract visitors to a landing page and they make some action there. For example, fill out a survey. This is based on a CPA, cost per action system, where you receive a commission for different actions and not necessarily conversions only. Affiliate programs mostly offer two types of commissions: one-time commissions or recurring commissions. The former is used for product consumers buy only once, while the latter is for subscription-based products and services. Choose a niche with high profit potential. This step only applies to those affiliate marketers who haven't yet started their blog or website in a niche. If you have managed to build a loyal community around your site, you're probably already catering to a specific subset of a larger market. In that case, you can skip this step and proceed to the second stage where you choose the programs. Your niche is important because its profit potential can determine the success of your site, especially in terms of monetization. Ideally, you want to find a niche where it's relatively easy for you to make money. This means avoiding those that are saturated with too many competitors. Try to select affiliate programs related to your niche. However, you don't need to narrow it down too much. The success of your site shouldn't depend entirely on any one product. It should be flexible enough so that you can promote multiple products. That's also why it's better to focus on building your audience first. You may also consider other products and services that might interest your audience. In addition to paying attention to your audience, you should also think about how those affiliate programs will benefit you. This you can do by comparing the commission rates and other benefits you get as an affiliate. For example, create a spreadsheet on Google Sheets for the comparison and choose the most promising ones. Optimize your linking strategy. Once you start your promotion, make sure to maintain a balance between providing a positive user experience and monetization. A good strategy is to keep at least part of your content free from ads. After you have built a loyal community, you can promote your affiliate offers, but don't go overboard with it. You don't necessarily need to monetize every page or article. You can also link to the affiliate offers from your sidebar or footer. Your linking strategy has a direct impact on your commissions. You can use Google Analytics to track your link statistics and a keyword rank tracker to continually monitor your rankings in search engines. By monitoring the clicks and conversions, you will gain valuable insights into your audience's behavior. This will help you optimize your linking strategy and extract the maximum value from your affiliate marketing efforts. Engage your audience with CTAs. Because it's not enough to just know your audience, you need to also engage them. Once they've finished reading your content, it should be clear what you want them to do. The easiest way to do this is by using call to actions, CTAs. You can embed CTAs in different sections of your site, for example within your content, sidebar, homepage, menu, or the footer of your post. Method number 3. Sell ad space on your website. Instead of acting through third parties, you directly sell advertising space to media buyers. Therefore, 100% of the advertising budget will go directly to you. No more bothering about traffic, visits or conversions. However, it may require in-person meetings and negotiations that will, however, pay dividends in the long run. For maximum control over the advertising process, you can sell ads directly. This is a good option for publishers who are still growing their traffic too. If you sell ad space directly, you don't need an ad network or SSP. You simply establish direct relationships with the brand or business who is advertising. Selling ad space direct means you can invest in building long-term partnerships and reserve blocks of ad space for specific advertisers. However, selling ad space directly requires time and effort. You need to source potential advertisers manually, negotiate terms and costs, and build relationships. But you can also set your own pricing and retain control over decisions on how to charge media buyers. In short, it needs to be worth your time. Don't underestimate how much work is involved in selling ads directly. It requires generating leads, converting clients, and building long-term relationships. Selling ads directly is easier for publishers who work in a content niche than have a dedicated niche audience. The best approach is to research media in the same content categories and seek brands and companies that advertise with them. Website publishers should create a media kit to entice advertisers and prove the value of ad space. The kit should include site analytics such as page views and bounce rate, user segments, reach and engagement. All the information that advertisers want to know if they are considering putting ads on your website. Selling ad space directly obviously involves direct contact with buyers, establishing unique business partnerships as well as negotiations and agreement between the two parties. So before offering ad space on your website, take some time to understand the real value of your target audiences. You can create an advertised landing page and a media kit. Second, you can check similar niche blogs or competitors' websites and see what brands sponsor those platforms. Next, you can try contacting those brands and offer a partnership on your terms. You may also check the forums or chat rooms where website publishers share their experiences and provide useful tips on how to advertise directly. Selling ad space directly involves personal contact with retailers and direct negotiations and agreements between two parties. Before offering ad space on your website, you must know the real value of your target audiences and be able to estimate the potential revenues. Method number 4. Use your site as a portfolio to get projects. This method is suitable for websites that show off your expertise in dealing with a certain subject. The Hire Me section only perfects the presentation, giving people the chance to benefit from specialized paid services that will bring them more value. The Hire Me section should not only confirm you as an expert in your field, but also get you speaking jobs, consulting offers, and highlights the advantages of people collaborating with you. Chances are you'll be contacted for potential partnerships that will bring you money to the table. Method number 5. Ask for donations and contributions. To make it really work for your website or blog, you should consider not mingling donations with other monetization methods. People are more inclined to push the donate button if they don't perceive you're already making big money from your website or blog. You should also speak about the cause you sustain for readers to get convinced it's worth donating. As marketing guru Seth Godin once blogged, our target markets are often lazy people in a hurry. No offense to our lovely unexpected donors. Let's face it, people are getting savvier by the day, ad banners are blending into the background and cluttered layouts are turning people away. Big bold beautiful buttons are what we're after. Now is the time to be completely transparent about where contributions and gifts are going. The more honest and open your organization is, the more trustworthy you'll become. Illustrate this with testimonials, endorsements and badges from groups such as Charity Navigator or the Better Business Bureau. Show your connection to or presence in the local community. This element is key to making the ask. Do your best to make a connection to the people and places from which you're soliciting donations. Whether your program work is in Africa or your soup kitchen is on a main street, be sure to include language to bring a sense of relevance to your website visitors. According to a recent study, an organization's presence in the user's own community was the second most important deciding factor after the organization's mission and work. Method number 6. Charge money for sponsored posts. Sponsored posts are those articles you get paid for by third parties, which are advertisers, after both parties have come to an agreement about the conditions of publishing them on your website. An example of such a site is DronesGator, which writes paid product reviews for drone manufacturers. You can reach out to them, or else they might contact you for writing and publishing content regarding their products and services. You can even hire external writers to write this for you. There are tons of content and essay writing services out there. The simplest way to get started is by working with a sponsored posts network. These firms connect brands and influencers. No more searching for work, it comes to you. Some of those you can try include Acorn Influence, Blog Dash, Blog Meets Brand, Clever, Find Your Influence, IZEA, Makerly, Pollinate, Rev Influence, Social Fabric, Social Stars, Tap In Influence, and Weave Mead Made Media. You create an account and attach your social media channels and blog and website as requested. Complete your profile thoroughly so brands know as much as possible about you, which can result in better offers. Once a sponsor wants to work with you, they will reach out through the network's system. Then follow the instructions to accept, decline or negotiate the offer, and then write the content. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to tell me in the comments section below the video which strategy or method from this video you are going to use first. I'd be interested to hear from you. So the next thing to do, if you want to accelerate your learning even further and develop your digital skills, make sure you go and click the link under the video now and visit the Internet Business School website, the UK's leading internet marketing training provider. They offer a range of comprehensive courses covering all aspects of digital marketing. They will give you all the training, skills and knowledge you need to create a profitable online business. If you are interested in that, which I hope you are, just click the link in the description box under the video and take a look at it. I hope you found this video useful. Please share it with your friends, like it and tell people about it. Please make sure you hit the subscribe button and please like the video. Just click the subscribe button below this video. If you have any questions, leave a comment under the video below and I will follow up with you. Thanks for watching.